A Toy Unboxers production.
Hi, I'm now doing a Kobo space review. We'll do our own combination. That is following the instructions. Then there is a massive bag, but a few pieces. Why is there a massive bag with a few pieces? This is weird. Look. Now let's put it out. Now we need two straight, that is at the middle. And this piece, this one. Oh yeah, like this. Or that piece, this, or the other piece. Then let's get two of these, put it together. This is much more easier. Oh yeah, it is like this. Then let's now get this, put it at the back. We did it! Then it's like this. This is much more better. This is easier than the last one. The other side, because it pops off every time. There we go, I did it. So this will not fall out. Perfect. Then we need two of these. Let's now connect. I think get this. Then let's get this. Get this. Yay, we did it. Then we need yellow piece. Then we need this piece right here. Boom. This one is for the other piece. Yeah. This is so easy. I just do this, then make a clone. And then let's now do this. Then put it here. Yay, we did it. Like this. We place it like this. Ooh, this comes in very easily. Let's put this part.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Kid-friendly, mommy-approved channel. Toy Unboxers. A Toy Unboxers production.